Welcome back to the world of wonderful wood saws. Watch the video below to explore with us their powerful capacity and flexible working ability. Don't forget to like, share and follow the channel to support us. I am really impressed with the amazing tree cutting performance of this Timber Pro TL755D tree cutting machine. It is known to be a powerful piece of equipment specifically designed for logging and forestry. With a diesel engine with a capacity of up to 275 horsepower, it is capable of cutting trees up to nearly 80 centimeters in diameter quickly and accurately. Furthermore, equipped with crawler wheels, the machine can move firmly on any terrain. Cutting down an ancient cedar tree nearly 300 years old with a diameter of up to 2 meters and a height of nearly 60 meters seemed impossible to the worker. However, with the perseverance and support of the Stihl MS881 chainsaw, nothing is impossible. With a powerful and durable engine, the chainsaw helped the worker take down the tree safely and intact. The TigerCat 855 stationary tree feller is a powerful and reliable piece of equipment in the logging industry. With a powerful engine with a capacity of 250 to 300 horsepower, this machine is capable of operating effectively on difficult terrain. The TigerCat 855 special design allows it to quickly and accurately fell trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter. I believe you will love the close-up of this 28 billion saw blade cutting large trees. With a cutting diameter of up to nearly 70 centimeters and a motor capacity of up to 80 horsepower, it can handle large and hard woods easily and quickly with just one cut. The 28 billion saw head is designed for high performance with fast and reliable cutting speeds, helping to increase productivity in woodworking. Look how gently they cut the trees. In the US, the timber industry regularly applies methods of sustainable forest exploitation and effective forest regeneration. Therefore, the Quadco QB3500 bar saw is trusted in exploiting forests here because of its power and accuracy in cutting trees. With the ability to cut diameters up to 90 centimeters and high precision, it can handle large and hard woods effectively, without adversely affecting the surrounding landscape. Let's explore a small but very powerful chainsaw McCulloch 797 gear drive chainsaw. With a sharp saw blade nearly 1 meter long, it is being used to saw a large piece of wood. Quickly, this large tree trunk was sawed in half very precisely. The sturdy and lightweight design of this chainsaw helps users feel comfortable when used for long periods of time and easy to control during daily wood cutting tasks. This large tree has a whopping diameter of 71.5 cm. The work is sawed into panels 195 centimeters long and up to 7 centimeters thick. Although each panel is relatively thin, they are extremely difficult to move due to their weight. They used a Stihl MS661 with a 28-inch bar to cut down the tree, then I used a 42-inch Panther mill to cut the panels. The machine is designed with a frame around it, with a dowel seal at the end to help the wood be cut evenly and not split. A very smooth cutting process. The Volkswagen LT saw is a powerful tool in the wood industry. With a powerful engine, this machine usually has a capacity of up to 120 horsepower, ensuring high cutting performance in all working conditions. It can saw hardwoods like oak quickly and accurately. Let's watch the worker use the Echo CS2511T chainsaw to remove an infected pine tree. With a two-stroke engine with a cylinder capacity of 25.0cc, this machine delivers powerful and efficient cutting power. Weighing only about 2.3 kg, the CS2511T is easy to use and operate, while providing high cutting performance and low user fatigue. Another scene of sawing a giant cedar tree made me extremely nervous. Thanks to the meticulous calculations of the experienced worker and the chainsaw in hand, the ancient tree, nearly 100 years old, was easily subdued. Obviously, the smooth coordination between human expertise and the power of machines is extremely important in the working process. Witnessing the giant cedar tree being methodically cut gave me a thrill of excitement. Thanks to the precise coordination of a skilled craftsman wielding a saw and meticulous calculations, this venerable tree, which had existed for nearly a century, was easily subdued. As a machine used for cutting small and medium trees, helping to clean the land and create gaps to prevent forest fires, the VV land management machine is very impressive with a working capacity of about 1 to 2 hectares hour. Its versatile design allows operation in a variety of terrains, from dense forests to open grasslands, providing flexibility and diversity in application. Witness the meticulous process of felling tall trees safely and quickly thanks to the craftsman's chainsaw. This was truly an experience of the harsh beauty and harsh conditions of a winter evening in Finland as they worked against the backdrop of dim light and deep snow. I hope the eye-catching wood sawing screens and the powerful working ability of the saws have brought you a feeling of comfort after a tiring day of work. If you find the video interesting, please like, share and follow to watch our next videos. See you again.
Enter the Boomerlight, the 530, a formidable tree, saw mounted on a powerful Kubota S75 skid steer. This powerful combination is a force to be reckoned with, easily tackling tree felling tasks with precision and speed.
Thanks for watching.
Dive into the world of precision cutting with the Timber Pro TEL 745 mower in New Hampshire. With its impressive cutting capacity and precision, engineered design, the Timber Pro TEL 745 has left an impression on the forestry industry. This machine boasts numbers that speak volumes about its performance. Enter the heart of the dense forest, where giant machines reign supreme. With huge cutting capacity and unparalleled efficiency, easily conquer towering trees with absolute power and precision, and the harvest numbers are astonishing. Introducing the Stihl, Mrs. 880, a giant chainsaw with a 150 chem blade designed to conquer the biggest woodworking challenges. This massive machine combines raw power with precision, reducing large logs into manageable sections in record time. Next, the Stihl Mrs. 231 saw handles 50 logs with unprecedented precision, turning giant logs into small pieces of wood. Stihl Mrs. 231. Stihl Mrs. 231 demonstrates its superiority in processing large-sized wood. The X15 excavator, 13 case packed with precision and power, this beast of a machine can carve through giant blocks of wood with efficiency. TimberPro X27 is an advanced woodcutting machine designed for efficiency. With a large 27-inch blade and 1500 RPM speed, this machine reduces tree felling and processing time, making it a game changer in the industry. The 750 excavator blade, an advanced marvel, turns towering logs into neat, easy to manage firewood. Discover the Stihl Mrs. 261 as a precision-engineered chainsaw to skillfully handle large blocks of wood. Powered by a powerful 50.2 engine, it produces an impressive 3.0 horsepower, ensuring optimal performance in demanding wood carving jobs. Next, the TigerCat 855 mower is equipped with the powerful 570 harvesting head, a dynamic duo that redefines efficiency in the forestry sector. With incredible feeling capabilities and lightning, fast handling, this machine dominates rough terrain, demonstrating its ability to handle giant trees with precision. Close-up of the logging process of the Logmax 7000s, mounted on a John Deere 2154, a dynamic duo that is revolutionizing logging in the heart of the forest. In a dense American forest, the Barco 260 with Logmax 7000th precision is a formidable combination that dominates the hardest woods, handling and sawing hardwood with ease. The Barco 260 Logmax 7000th combo not only excels in efficiency, but also achieves outstanding performance. Unleash the power of the Australian hardwood beast, the excavator saw. With its superior cutting capabilities, it can easily handle the hardest Australian woods. Equipped with a powerful motor, the machine has a cutting force of 20 tons, helping to perform the job quickly on even the most difficult types of wood. A top-notch logging run with the Timber Pro 10735, equipped with the steadfast Jeep Skidmore KEF 22 fixed head. This dynamic duo tackles the hardwood in the middle of the woods with precision and power. Achieving impressive efficiency and output figures, setting new standards in logging. Discover the MD Koala range, an advanced tree felling masterpiece with a purpose, built heavy-duty chassis to ensure it is stronger, more resilient and sturdier, taking tree mastery to the next level, a new level. The style MIS 231 saw is a symphony of power and precision in the hands of lumber enthusiasts. With a powerful 2.8 kW motor and a chain speed of 16.5 menzo, this sturdy machine easily moves through the toughest woods, turning giant logs into small ones. The style Mrs. 880 and Husqvarna 3120 XB are two giants that have reshaped the forestry landscape. Let's watch the process of the Timber Pro TEL 755 cutting machine cutting cedar on the west coast. Start your logging journey with the style Mrs. 211, Mrs. 230 and Mrs. 231 chainsaws. Whether it's the gentle versatility of the Mrs. 211, the powerful performance of the Ms. 230 or the balanced power of the Ms. 231, every saw brings its own charm to the forest's symphony. Experience the awesome power of the Tiger Cat L-Site 155E as it conquers the jungle world. Has a capacity of 380 horsepower, ensuring fast and effective wood cutting. Outstanding reach and incredible feeling capacity, this machine stands tall, reshaping the forestry landscape with its sheer power. The Komatsu 900 Onyx is equipped with a Ponce converter with impressive cutting power and seamless maneuverability. This dynamic duo conquers the dense forest with precision. Immerse yourself in the world of wood with the Husqvarna 2100, a formidable behemoth with a 105 cm blade that easily cuts through large logs. The Komatsu 900 Onyx 8 wheel harvester, incorporating the advanced SATI 2 harvester, dominates the primary forests of Sweden's Småland, demonstrating outstanding efficiency in logging. Experience the harmonious dance of power and finesse as the Komatsu 900 Onyx showcases its might, effortlessly cutting through towering trees with an astonishing productivity of approximately 15-20 trees per minute. The Husqvarna 585 is equipped with a Japanese hexa chain with 105 chem cutting capacity that turns handling large logs into an art form. One of the cutting-edge innovations, Husqvarna chainsaws have made it easier than ever to process any type of wood, turning them into small pieces of wood in just a few minutes. The M-Sight 180 style chainsaw has a massive 72-inch port with a sharp blade combined with fast speed and precision to handle large logs quickly. Is the most popular machine in the forestry industry today. The Timber Pro Tel 755 feller buncher is equipped with the extreme precision of the Quadco 27's hot saw as it creates a symphony of falling action in the heart of the forest. Unleashed. The Steel 90 is a giant in the world of chainsaws with an incredible 7.3 horsepower. This powerful machine can easily cut through giant-sized logs, automatically boasting a cutting capacity of up to 48 inches. was one of the first machines built. Timber Pro Tel 765C chainsaw with Woodsman 750 harvester head, weighing about 8,000 pounds and nearly 12 feet tall, is always at the forefront of woodcutting, making an important contribution to the development of the wood industry. A giant machine in the top 10 machines with high capacity and efficient work. With fast speed, it cuts through tree stumps accurately and cuts multiple trees at the same time, helping the forest to be cleared quickly. The 15-feller buncher is a formidable accessory designed for Ryan's Equipment's high-speed skid steers. With its advanced 15 saw, it easily tackles old logs in the jungle. Is equipped with the turbo saw attachment, a dynamic duo that makes it easy to clear large trees and remove stubborn stumps. Continuing with the D's. 24 hanging chainsaw line with its advanced design and best cutting speed. It easily turns large logs into neatly segmented pieces. The Hammerhead G's 44 XL34 chainsaw boasts incredible cutting capabilities, easily cutting large logs with precision and effortless delivery of outstanding performance with every cut. Testing the G's 44 grapple saw cutting large logs. With cutting power that exceeds expectations, it can cut through large logs, achieving an impressive output of around 30-40 inches per second. Is a symphony of power and precision. Witness the Komatsu X460 a powerful lawnmower, conquering large trees with precision. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.